Hey Glow fam, it's your girl Dr. C back with another fragrance. Today in this video, I'll be going over some of the decluttering some of the fragrances that I once loved but no longer serve me. So if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned and share, subscribe. Don't cancel me. I'm a small YouTube. Don't unsubscribe just yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm a small channel. Please. But so these fragrances are amazing. I just gotta let them go. It's a different type of era for me. It's Versace Crystal Noir. Now, wait a minute. I know what you're thinking. That is a coconut, creamy, sexy, deep smelling, grown woman type of scent. This is my mom's signature scent, so that's the reason that I'm decluttering it. And I'm gifting this one to my mom because we can't go around smelling like each other. I can't be smelling like my mama. I'm already developing into who she was. So I'm going to go ahead and gift this to her. I love the scent. You're talking about a creamy coconutty. If you wanted depth, if you wanted longevity, this is a great scent. Smells expensive, well blended, so sexy, so deep, so rich. I love it, and unfortunately she does too. So I'm decluttering this. I'm giving it to my mom, Versace Crystal Noir. Scent, it's okay. It's a peachy cream type scent. I'm just not that peachy creamy type of girl. I need more depth. I have a new peach scent that I very much love, so it's kind of redundant in my collection, and I think I'm probably giving all of these perfumes to my mom. I might sell some on Mercari, but it is the Casilli, and as you can see, it's collected dust. It's dusty. It just sits in the back. I don't use it. It's about up to here, and you can see it just sits in the back of my perfume console. It's very beautiful though. It's a beautiful peach cream scent, lots of florals. Like I said, I'm not a gardenia person. If you didn't know that about me, I don't like gardenia because gardenia kind of gives me old people. But this is very beautiful. This is a very youthful gardenia, if that makes any sense. I just don't use it, and it's not the beast mode that I'm looking for when it comes to creamy scents. So I'm gifting that one. I think my mom will definitely use that one. I don't really use it much, but it's a pretty scent. Fragrances are probably some of my most expensive fragrances. I feel so bad about it, but they were actually hyped. I really don't like them, and I don't ever reach for them. I think I'm just into a more of a mature type of fragrances. These are more of a younger smell, and I don't reach for them to collect in dust, but they're very beautiful. The first one is by the House of Sillage, and if you check out Lavishly Chi-Chi, check out this video right here, this video. But anyway, mostly this is a sweet raspberry cotton candy type of fragrance. It's like a raspberry cookie to me, and it's not as strong in beast mode. Not only that, I have Madame by Brown Sugar Babe, which I feel like is more beast mode, and it helps with the bottom line when you're talking about Brown Sugar Babe is a moisturizing type of scent. It smells exactly like this one, and it lasts long. I don't even use that one actually. I still have Madame, but it smells exactly like this one, and I'm here to support. Now, first we're gonna go to Target. Now this one was before Target though. This was before Target, so I might sell this on Mercari. I didn't pay the price on this house. You don't have to pay full price. You can always wait for the sale, so I might sell on Mercari for about $100 or so. You're really paying for the design of this thing right here. So I'm gonna let this one go. It's just been collecting dust, and it's other scents I want to get. It's other ones I want to explore. White powder, where are you? My fourth scent, also from the House of Sillage. I don't really use it. This is a beautiful lemon type of fragrance, very creamy. But I'm not in that phase anymore like I once was. And plus, this was recommended by one of my favorite influencers, Sharita and Anna Lauren. Well, actually, I do like it. Maybe I'll use it up. I think I will keep this one. I think I'm definitely get rid of Minnie Mouse. I might keep this one. This was a lemon creamy puff, a lemon cream custard, like a puffy lemon cream custard. It's so soft, so pretty. I don't know if it has a lot of projection. I don't really get compliments. That's what it is. When I wear it, I don't get the compliments that I feel like I should for a fragrance that costs almost $200. So that's the thing. Because this, I thought I can make it. That's the thing. So if you like Ellis Brooklyn, the new marshmallow scent, you would love this scent. It's just not for me. I have the Ellis Brooklyn marshmallow. I feel like I could just use that one. It's a beautiful fragrance though. It's a very beautiful fragrance. But I'll be getting rid of it. It's going to a better place. Now don't hate me for it. If you have that fragrance, wear it, love it, because it is remarkable. It's just not for me. Now this last scent, everybody knows about this. This is the Yara by Lattafa. I think it's the Moy Yara, and this is a mango fragrance, which it's a beautiful mango fragrance. It smells like a candy, very mango. It's a mango fragrance. My thing is, it's a mango fragrance. My thing is, I'm not really a mango person. So I buy box. I have Karaoke Heart by Juicebox, so I might give this. It's not very strong and projecting. It's a beautiful scent. I might just give this. It's more youthful than it is for someone like me. I'm a more mature, grown woman. You know what I'm saying? I want to smell grown. I want to smell. You know what I'm saying? So I already have Karaoke Juicebox. This is a little bit more creamier, more blended. This is more interesting to me, Karaoke Juicebox. So that's why this one isn't. It's just not an interesting scent, but it's mango if you like mango. And so I don't like mango, and then it's not interesting to me. So I might gift this one as well, but it's pretty, very affordable. It's not interesting. If I smelt it on someone, I'll just be like, oh, she has mango on. It's not, ooh, she has mango on. It would have to be layered with something. So that's the end of my video. This makes space, room for what you love. God wants you to release and let things go of something so that he can bless you with other things. You gotta do like this. You bless others and you can bring in a blessing. That's how the story goes. Great scents start with moisture. I have a niacinamide gel that helps to bring in moisture to your skin, to your face. It also helps to clear out the oil in your pores, tighten your pores, make your skin glow and just be dewy for the summer months. So I'll leave a link in the description. Check out my website, Crystal Skincare. Alright family, so those are the 5 scents that I'm releasing from my perfume collection. It's not shade or anything, it's growth. I'm curating a collection that's more tailored to who I am as a person. So that's all that is. I'm curating my perfume collection. And we're not hoarding in 2025. We're getting rid of stuff. We're collecting the coin off of it. Definitely going to be on Macari. Not gifting this year. And below, what scent did you have to let go of? Which scent did you let go of that hurt really bad? Someone probably came and you wanted to be a nice person, so you gifted them the scent, or you just had to let go because it was redundant in your collection. You just have too many of the same. I'd like to hear from you. Drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your bestie who needs to hear about hoarding. That is, who's collecting way too many bottles, but they got over $500,000 worth of bottles. But go ahead and share this with them. Share and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this type of content, like the video or you can dislike the video. If you dislike the video, if you hoard so many fragrances that you built a whole house, you built a whole Airbnb with all the fragrances that you hoard, dislike the video. Dislike it. Anyway, as always, keep growing, keep glowing. I'll see you next time. Peace.